Hi, this is Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises. So we're live out here at a deck that we're building from scratch. We're getting near the end, but you can get an idea of what it's going to look like. It's not a big deck, it's just a nice sized deck. You got a couple of the guys are working here on it. So like I said, we're coming down to the end. We probably got about another day and a half or so on this. And some skirting to do and so forth. So I'll flip it around and we can take a look at this. So there's our deck. Nice white rails with the black metal balusters. Pretty popular look of these. You can see the deck as we go. They have the gray surface. The gray's a little bit off of the color of the house, but the house is gray. So it gives it a nice little offset, and you can see that here. As we come up, so we'd walk up to the deck here. And as we go around here, walk around, and just so you know, we used Fiberon on this deck, which we usually don't use the Fiberon, but we use the Fiberon because of the issues with the supply on Trex. We were supposed to get shipment in beginning of December, didn't come in. They were supposed to be bringing stuff in from Nevada, didn't come in, so things got pushed back. Customer wanted to go this route. We actually gave them a couple options, and this is the way they went with it. So anyway, nice looking deck. Guys are doing a great job, and we can do the same thing for you. With our guys are all great, good carpenters. Put a lot of time, effort into making things are detailed and just what the customer wants. So let us do this for you. We'd be happy to. And call Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises, 609-268-3436. Again, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and obviously we do composites too. So any kind of exterior wood restoration, whether it's a log cabin, a wood-sided home, or build you a deck, we're there. We're also Best of 2020 in 4 different categories from the Burlington County Times. It's a great honor. One of them is on our carpentry. We were best of, top 3. We were also best painter, and then commercial and exterior cleaning for our pressure washing and exterior cleaning of wood homes and that kind of stuff too. So our services are really sought after, acknowledged. It's an honor to win. It's great, and this is the kind of work we do. So again, give us a call, 609-268-3436. We'll get you a free estimate and get you ready so that when 2021 comes around, you're ready to hit the ground running in your outdoor living space.